ako kumakain ako.
Ato, maravilla, Mita, maravilla, Mita.
Nakahawa ka kay Den? Ha? Ha? Pagka marami doon sa baba pa.
From AMACC East Rizal, Jenny Rose Escobedo Jimena. AMA or AMA Fairview, Nicole J. Kulang pa ako ng pantaya. Hey, tayo dyan. Hey! Mahihayin. Alright, so to honor our beloved country, the Philippines,
and sing. Please rise. Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, please rise. From the College of Hospitality and Culinary Science, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, please rise. Bachelor of Science in Tourism, please rise. From the College of Education, Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education, please rise.
Anong color po nung sash niya? Dulaw sila.
From the Allied Health Programs, Bachelor of Science in Psychology, please rise. Bachelor of Arts in Psychology.
Let's raise your right hand and please repeat after me. Theo Lupay Fetch. I, please say your name. Graduate of T State Campus. Do solemnly declare my membership in the AMA Alumni Association and voluntarily pledge to abide by its tenets and teachings. I pledge my loyalty and commitment to the philosophy and objectives of my alma mater, wherever destiny may lead me. I pledge my loyalty and commitment to the development of mankind, always for good and never for evil. I pledge to dedicate my services whenever and wherever needed as a global citizen. Above all, I pledge allegiance to the Republic of the Philippines. So help me God.
Ranara Antoinette. Wait, model mo na video yun.
Verso, Primo, Junior Mundo, PS Information Technology, Aiming Santiago.
Sa Dela.
Information Technology, Aiming as PS.
Sunod na siya dyan.
Ayun po. Pangatlo na siya. Kukuhan ko na yung cellphone.
Ibarra Rendez Dene, Bachelor of Demetrius, Non-Staff and Mandaluyos. Iserlon William Charles Sabili, BSc Computer Engineering, AMA University.
And honors that we have gained. However, today is also the beginning of a more complex journey through life. This day will definitely mark the start of a journey, the movie of life, a new beginning. We will move forward, and I would like to request everyone to rise on their feet right now. Let us sing out and celebrate as you watch this.
Hindi maibigita ang kalata ng punong ng duda. Di makapagsisimula, hindi ito mundong ginagawa.
My sincerest congratulations to the Hama Education Graduating Class of 2024. As you embark on this new journey, remember that the word eagerly awaits your contribution. Today, I urge you to embrace the spirit of innovation.
Sigurong laging gabat sa kantang mabata. Ano ang paglapay? Kung wala ka kinaiiwas, pwede ko nang
Congratulations, class of 2024. We've gone through so much together, and I believe we're all prepared to accomplish this. Thank you for being part of this incredible moment.
Ang tema ng gabi, ang pangarap ng di, kanta niyong kapambing, ang gagawin ng tungit, sukat ang iyong tahan, dahil sa buong kanahan.
Your best challenge is to school, and be fearless in your pursuit of excellence. Remember, every setback is a chance to learn, every obstacle an opportunity to grow, and every change a doorway to a brighter future.
Puso ang laging gabat sa kantang mabata, ang paglapay, buhay na kinaiiwas, pwede ko nang kapagpay, ating kinaharas, sasaan, sabay-sabay kulay na kinaiiwas.
Embracing innovation, progress, or forever changing and rapidly evolving digital world. You were given this opportunity to not only learn, but to create, adapt, and innovate.
Sit back,
Mga students, focus on exercise. Dedicated your time. To be successful, you have to stay hungry, stay foolish. But the very important part, not running off to the
Aiming confidence, adaptability, motivation, and learning. When I said put the AMA to inquire, it already felt like anything.
And that is the same.
puso ang laging gabat.
As you pursue your life and your career, don't miss it. Hindi kayo pinag-graduate ng Diyos at ng mundo para lang sa sarili. Sasabihin ko sa inyo, malalaman nyo lang na kung may kayo. Pag ang buhay nyo hindi na sa kundi ang buhay mo ay
A big round of applause for the graduation song, Hakim Mato. Congratulations.
Sa tulong at pagkatuyod nyo nagpalang pangarap.
Kaya na si Dito.
Dahil sa sakripisyo nyo,
Congrats! Fully graduate ka na.
Nakapidyo siya lang ha?
Hindi ko nakita yung comment. Klase ko, hindi mo na math. Magpasok ka kayo ng dinner. Picture-picture na po ba doon? May oras tayo.
Congratulations to the Tama
Iba na pala yan. Iba na pala yan. Iba na.
As you embark on this new journey,
Iba na.
Congratulations, class of 2024. You've gone through so much together. And lately, you're all prepared for success.
Wala na. Kaya ng cellphone. Ha? Kaya ng cellphone. Kanina sana. Yung inaayusan kita. Wala pa dyan. Hindi, ibang kata yun eh. Iba yun eh. Ano ba yun? Wala na.
Every step down is a chance to learn. Every lost skill, an opportunity to grow.
Wala na dyan.
The world will